Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Miss Mehreen and I hope you all are doing well. So let's start the topic, which is defenses against disease. So our body had a lot of ways to defend itself from harmful organisms or microbes. We have natural barriers and the immune system. Natural barriers include the skin. Natural barriers include the skin, and white blood cells take part in immune system or play a very important role in immune system. Skin act as an external barrier to microbes or any invading agent and protect internal organs. If the skin get damaged, the blood will quickly clot to keep the microbes out. In case when microbes get entry to the body, the white blood cell in our blood will attack them. White blood cell will attack them. Either they eat them or by releasing some chemicals to kill them. And these chemicals are called antibodies. Sometimes we inject some vaccines. To improve our immunity, to improve our immune system, because white blood cells don't make enough antibodies to kill the microbes in certain conditions. So we inject some vaccines. These vaccines cause the white blood cells to make more antibodies to kill the germs. Actually, in these vaccines are dead or weakened microbes with which we can get harmed. We cannot get harmed. But they cause white blood cells to improve their activity or by to release more antibodies. Okay. So our next topic is how to stop the spread of the disease. We can stop the spread of the disease by if we cook our food thoroughly, or very well, and also we need to take bath or shower regularly to remove the germs which are on our body and hairs. Also, we have to wash our hands before eating or handling food. If we are outside, if we are not at home, we must sanitize our hands. Also, we need to wash our hands after coming from toilet. Or very important, if we get any injury or cut, we need to put a bandage onto it until it heals. To protect it from germs, to protect ourselves from germs, because any germ or microbes can get entered from this cut. So these are the ways by which we can stop the spread of different diseases or microbes and infections. That's all. Thank you.